How to replace a lost Wise card? Lost your Wise card? Don't worry, replacing it is simple and secure. Start by logging into your Wise account and heading to the card section. Find the card you lost and lost or stolen. Follow the prompts and Wise will immediately cancel your old card and give you the option to order a replacement. Enter your delivery address again and confirm. Wise will ship your new card and you will receive tracking details when it's on the way. While waiting for your new card, you can still make transfer and manage your account online. Have you ever had to replace your card? Share your experience in the comments below. And that's how you can replace a lost Wise card. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.